Hey everybody, so today I'm here with a hair tutorial for beginners. I'm going to be showing you guys one of the ways I like to apply lace wigs from start to finish. So I'm going to be working with a short curly unit I got from MyFirstWig, and I just love how everything comes packaged. Right out of the box, this is what the wig looks like. Also comes with some goodies, some things you can use to help apply the wig. Got some hairpins, a rat tail comb, some nice durable clips, a hair pick, wig caps, and an elastic band. Now inside the wig it has one comb on each side, one comb in the back, and also an adjustable strap which you can use to help keep the wig in place. So to begin, I'm going to apply the elastic band to the wig, and I do that by taking the band, placing it behind one of my ears, then gently stretching it so it feels tight but not uncomfortable on my head, and I'm bringing that around to the other ear, and the excess part here is what needs to be snipped off. I marked that off and I'm going to cut at the line. And I'm going to place the band right here where the bottom of the sideburns are on the wig. So with a needle and thread, attach each end of the elastic band. Once secure, cut the thread and make a few knots so it won't come undone. Then clip off the hanging string. And it should now look like this. So next what you want to do is cut off the lace from the perimeter of the wig. And this is really simple, just cut right along the hairline, getting as close as you can to where the hair starts, but just make sure not to cut off any of the actual hair. After I have attached the elastic band and cut the lace, I'm gonna wash the wig, and I like to wash all of my lace wigs before I wear them. To do this, you can just use your favorite shampoo and conditioner, and then I usually let the wig air dry overnight. So here it is after it's been freshly washed and air dried, and now it's time to put the wig on. So of course, before putting on a wig, you want to make sure your actual hair underneath is as flat as possible. So I'm gonna cornrow my hair, and what I like to do is match up my natural part with the wig parting. So since my finished style is gonna have a side part, when I'm doing the cornrows, I'm taking that into account and making that side part. Next, I'm sectioning off a tiny bit of my edges, and I'm gonna do this all around the front, and you'll see in a second how this is gonna help blend the wig and make it look more natural. Now I can go ahead and start braiding. Okay, I have my edges out and my hair is now braided and flat, and I'm going to take a few of those hairpins and pin up the ends of my cornrows. I'm placing a black stocking cap on top to protect my hair underneath. Now take the wig and line up the wig part with my pre-made part, bringing it right up to where I left out my edges. I also positioned the elastic band at the bottom of my head so the wig will lay flush and help keep it from shifting. And I use the combs on the side to keep the sides from lifting as well. Right here, I'm just straightening out the part in the wig. And next, I'm taking a blow dryer on medium, and I'm using that to flatten the top of the wig right around the parting, just to kind of help it look more like the hair is coming from my scalp and not just sitting on top of it. Once that is taken care of, I'm applying some gel to my edges that I left out, then brush them back and pretty much just work to smooth them and blend that in with the wig. And I'm going to do that all the way around. Right here at the start of the wig, to make the lace look super undetectable, a little trick I like to use is to take a tiny dab of this Got2b gel and place it at the line of demarcation. Next, using the tail of my comb, I'm pressing down the lace all around the parting so it blends with my scalp and it's sure not to lift. Then to set my hair and keep the front sleek, smooth, and flat, I'm tying it down with an edge scarf. And I like to keep this on for at least half an hour. So now with my edges set, I'm gonna go in to make the parting look a bit more realistic. And for that, I'm using some concealer and I'm dabbing that all along the parting. Then I'm gonna buff it in with my finger. And the last step for the part, I'm taking some black eyeshadow to fill in the gaps between my hair and the wig, just to get everything to look blended and seamless. And now that the part is done, all that's left is to shape and fluff the hair out to your liking. So that is my process for applying lace wigs without having to pluck or doing a lot of customization. No gluing it all around, sewing it down to your head. It's just easy to install, easy to remove, easy all around. And I'm really loving this effortless curly look. And by the way guys, this unit from MyFirstWig is such a breeze to work with. The hair is super soft and you really don't need to do a lot to it. I picked this one out quite a bit, but if you need to refresh the curls or if you want a tighter pattern, all you have to do is use plain water, spritz some on, finger comb it, and the curls will pop. So I hope you all enjoyed. I will have the link to this wig and all of the specs for it down below in the info box, so check that out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.